Good morning, everybody. So we are in social studies. It's Monday and it is May 4th. So for our opening, we're going to be reading our learning target. For your mini lesson, you're going to watch a YouTube video on the different types of economies. And for your work period, you should be watching this video, following along with our slides. And for our closing, you're going to answer a one-question quiz. So our learning target. I can describe the economic system used in Australia. Your mini lesson. You're going to watch the YouTube video right here. This little kid, he describes all the economic systems there are. And I think it's very, very good to watch this before you read our slides and watch my video because you'll understand it better. All right, so Australia. Australia has a mixed economy. I'm going to repeat that. Australia has a mixed economy. They have a mixed economic system, and that is your quiz question, okay? They have about 81% freedom and 19% command. We've talked about the difference between a free market economy and a command economy, and I will talk about that in just a second. It's ranked in the top 5 freest economies in the world, and it's close to having a pure market economy. Australia's government is committed to a free market and does not regulate much of the marketplace. So, what is a mixed economy? Well, few countries have an economy that is run entirely by the government commands, and few of them are also completely free. So they're kind of mostly in the mixed range, okay? Since there are really no countries with either a pure command or pure market economy, what does that mean? Well, it means that most democratic countries have both systems mixed together, and so they're mixed. So this is an example on our economic continuum. So to the right would mean that Australia is all the way free, zero government control. And then if you have a pure command economy, this means that the government has 100% control, okay? The people don't have any control. Well, I believe that Australia is right over here. It's a mixed economy. It has a little bit of government control, but mostly it's free, okay? So let's talk about that freedom. Businesses make the majority of economic decisions of what to produce based on supply and demand of the market. So that means that if more people are wanting to purchase mangoes, then the people that make them, they're going to produce more mangoes because that's what is in demand, okay? Australia's national government plays a limited role, meaning they don't play a big role in the economy. And it gives citizens a lot of economic freedom to be able to make and do what they want. The government strongly protects businesses and property rights, and starting a new business is really easy. Individuals and businesses own more than 75% of Australia's land and resources. Australia's government does not have many regulations on companies, nor does it regulate what jobs people have or how they are paid. So Australia's government has deregulated the financial and labor markets. It has also removed most of the country's trade barriers. These actions have supported Australia's economy, so much of that is not experienced any economic recession in over 20 years. Australia's government has very few rules to regulate the marketplace. The government does provide certain services, collect taxes, and regulate a small amount of trade, just like we talked about. The government plays a small role, okay? They have a couple of rules, but for the most part, Australia is very free when it comes to their economics. And so in review, this is kind of what we really need to know. Australia's government plays a limited role in the country's economy. It regulates a small amount of trade and collects taxes, but it also gives the citizens a lot of economic freedom. Individual citizens and private businesses own most of Australia's land and resources, and they can decide what to produce and how to produce it and what prices to charge. Okay, so it's kind of left up to the people. So what I really want you guys to know is that Australia has a mixed economy. That's really important, okay? So click activity, click quizzes, click May 4th, Australia's economy, and tell me what kind of economic system Australia has. Thank you.